Hello everyone. So we will discuss about behaviorism, which I know everyone know what this is all about. Kay na-discuss natin ya sa atin nga our previous subject, which specifically sa atin nga Jack 1 or the understanding the self kag sa atin nga EDUC 8 or facilitating learning, learner-centered teaching. So behaviorism. So when we say behaviorism, this is a psychological theory that focuses on observable behaviors and how they are learned through interactions with the environment. So it emphasizes the role of stimuli, or what we call the environmental events and responses, or the observable actions in shaping behavior. So behaviorists believe that learning occurs through conditioning, where associations are formed between stimuli and responses. Key features in behaviorism include Edward Thorndike and Skinner. So Thorndike's law of effects suggests that behaviors followed by pleasant outcomes are more likely to be repeated, while Skinner expanded on this with his concept of operant conditioning, which emphasizing the role of reinforcement and punishment in shaping behavior. Why behaviorist schools or teachers teach? Behaviorist schools aim to modify and shape students' behavior by creating a favorable learning environment. So they believe behavior is a product of the environment, and their goal is to foster desirable behavior in students. So behaviorist teachers base their methods on the principle that individuals react to stimuli. So they design learning experiences to elicit positive responses from students through carefully chosen stimuli. So the focus is on observable behavior change, not internal mental processes. What behaviorist teachers teach? So the teaching methods used involve creating an environment where students are conditioned to respond favorably to various stimuli. So this involves associating positive reinforcement with desired behaviors and minimizing negative reinforcement for undesirable behavior. So effective stimulus, control, and response shaping are key elements. How behaviorist teachers teach? So behaviorist teachers ought to arrange environmental conditions so that students can make the responses to stimuli. So physical variables like adjusting brightness and type of light to optimize focus and engagement. Maintaining a comfortable temperature to prevent distraction due to discomfort. So positioning desks and other furniture strategically to encourage participation and minimize disruption. So, of course, additionally, controlling the size, quantity, and type of visual aids to ensure clarity and maintain students' interest. So, the overall goal is to create a learning environment that maximizes the likelihood of students responding positively to learning stimuli. So teachers ought to make the stimuli clear and interesting to capture and hold the learner's attention. So they ought to provide appropriate incentives to reinforce positive responses and weaken or eliminate negative one. This is according to Trespasses 1995. So teachers should present clear and engaging stimuli to capture and hold students' attention. So they should also use reinforcement techniques to shape behavior. So designing designing lessons and activities that are easy to understand and captivating for students. And of course, providing incentives or rewards to strengthen positive behaviors and responses. So weakening or eliminating negative behaviors through strategies like ignoring or redirecting unwanted action. Uh, not this does not mean punishment. It refers to removing something undesirable to increase the likelihood of desired behavior. So the combination of environmental control and thoughtful reinforcement strategies aims to produce a learning experience that maximizes positive students' outcomes and minimize undesirable behavior. So that is all about, or what that behaviorism is all about.